Hello and bienvenue, I'm the theoliverpickard, and this, I think, might just be my last video from the French National 2CV Championships? No, National 2CV meeting thing. I'm really tired, it's been a really long day, the sun is going down, but these are my lovely neighbours. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
No, Guillaume.
Guillaume?
Amandine.
Amandine. And this is their beautiful, rusty 2CV. TETANUS. TETANUS for obvious reasons, I think. No? Le ration de l'oxydation, c'est le nom? Patina, no?
Patine. Yes.
You have the car for 3 years?
Yes.
And the model of the car is 59.
59.
So it's a 1959, and they've had it for 3 years. And Amandine and Guillaume have been absolutely lovely to Miriam and I while we've been here. They've and their friend Olivier, who's just behind the camera. Hello, Olivier. It's been absolutely awesome. They're amazing friends. And you did the restoration of TETANUS?
Restoration in a box.
Ouais.
No electricity.
Ouais.
And Amandine with LED and eclair.
Oh, with the so they did a restoration with a torch in a dark garage.
Ouais. It's very complicated. Difficult with the gendarmerie.
Okay. Yeah, because the license plate is not really there anymore. it was there once. But you have matriculation magnétique, no?
Ouais.
They have magnetic stick-on number plates that they keep in the boot, so they don't get pulled over. And les choses spéciales de TETANUS?
No, entièrement original.
So la chose spéciale. So TETANUS is completely original. Down to the other day, he has a cracked brake light lens, and Guillaume was going through the parts section. They have a little parts market here, looking at the numbers on the brake lenses to get the right year of brake light lens. And you found one. 50 centimeters. I've been looking for one for ages because I've got mismatched. Guillaume, straight away. Oh, 50 cents.
Okay.
For the old glass beautiful thing. Me? No, some dude like awful thing like €5. No.
She don't love me like the other girls now, and I'm trying to find a way how, but I'm burning in the reason now. 40,000 days.
So, what is your favorite parts of TETANUS? Qu'est-ce que c'est votre favorite part de TETANUS? La particularité?
Amandine?
Amandine, first.
Ok.
Miriam, follow Amandine.
Quand on l'a eu, il y avait ça, et on l'a toujours laissé parce que c'est son histoire.
So that's a cable end from a throttle cable or a bicycle cable, I think, that's actually rusted into the gutter rail. And because it came out of the barn that way, that's the way it stays. Autre chose?
Ouvre la porte.
Ouvre la porte.
Là, ici.
Ouais.
And,
Inside?
le boîte d'allumettes. In English.
So the nuts and bolts that are inside the gutter here. Because that's the way it was in the barn, that's the way she lives.
C'est vraiment d'origine.
Ouais.
Jamais touché.
Origine de grange, non?
De grange, ouais.
Sortie de grange.
Mais la galerie est not originale.
No.
Non, rajoute.
Okay. So that didn't come out of the barn.
Pour la déco.
Amandine, votre favorite chose? La particularité?
La mousse derrière sur l'aile.
Oui,
Ouais,
le
ouais.
week-end. Ça, Guillaume, oh non, s'il pleut, ça va partir et tout. Et non, toujours là.
So,
No washing.
Amandine won't let Guillaume wash the car, just in case it washes the lichen off the car. So in 3 years, in 3 années?
Ouais.
In 3 years of ownership of this car, it has never been washed. Which is, that's my kind of car ownership, I think. And on the back they have stickers like Produit de France and tout original. And Je pense c'est une voiture organique. Organique et naturelle.
In the Komodo.
Ah, the indicator.
Ouais. It's supplement.
Wait. So the indicator in this car is originally on the dashboard, but they've moved it to here for convenience, or je cherche le
I
chose,
cherche
or-
la pièce.
Oh, so he's looking for the part to make it right.
And the original, it's very fragile.
Ah, the service cards. So service cards like this are really, really difficult to find because they just don't exist. They just rot away to nothing. Because when you got your car serviced at a garage, they would put dans le moteur.
Ouais.
So they would put it on the engine. When you had your last oil change, when was the last filter change, things like that. If you come round, Miriam, so you're not in the sun. Look. So this is the original one from when it was in the garage. And I have to say, Jolene's engine is clean, but I think Guillaume's engine is cleaner. So it's still the original 425cc engine and still 12 horsepower, unlike a lot of the cars that we've seen here that have been modified or that have been changed or updated. TETANUS is still rolling solid on the original engine and the original everything. Absolument fantastique, hein? But it's restored and restored. Guillaume showed me a photo nécessaire envoyer la photo de TETANUS avant.
Ouais.
Ouais, pour la video.
Okay.
Guillaume showed me a photo before, and when he got it, it had no headlights in it, it had no electrics in it. There we go. It was totally mullered. But it was all there. So he rewired it and cleaned her up and drives her. And no conduit pour ici de Nice, no? So
in the truck.
they put her on the back of a flatbed truck and drove her up here on the back of a flatbed truck and then drove her in here because they weren't sure she'd make it. no toute la confiance de
moteur.
No.
No confiance.
So yes, he loves it and it's his baby. I've watched this man, like, if someone goes to touch it, he's like, don't touch. Don't touch. No, it's my baby. Like, and we've been out and done stuff, and he's like, we have to park it in the perfect place and out of the way of other people, and don't touch my baby. But he has no faith in the thing at all, which I kind of love. And yeah, she's utterly beautiful. Très jolie, hein?
Ouais.
Merci Amandine. Merci Guillaume.
Merci Oliver.
Pour le
Thank
semaine fantastique, hein?
Thank you.
These guys are the best neighbours I could have asked for. When we arrived, the organising kind of Womble people, the people that kind of tell you where to go and what to do. We arrived and we did the paperwork and then we pulled into the field and the guy says to us, "Oh, Sans Club? Horse Club? Oh, away, like up to the back of the end of the world." So we find this little place. And Amandine and Guillaume and Olivier, they came in, as well as another neighbour, Gabriel, who has a lovely 63, sorry. And we had our own little club, and we kind of ate together. No, le club de les personnes sans club. And we kind of ate together communally every night, and we made it kind of special. And this week would not have been so special without these guys and Olivier. And Olivier, come here, you bugger. So this video is especially special for me. Come here, man. Because without these guys, I merci, hein?
Merci Oliver. De rien.
It's our first time here. We were complete strangers. We knew nobody. And we've had an absolutely amazing week, and I really want to thank these guys from the bottom of my heart, because it really means a lot to be so accepted by people that you've never ever even met, and nobody got confused between Oliver and Olivier the whole week. So that that's an achievement in itself. So thank you for watching very, very much. I doubt there'll be a video like this anytime soon, but if you do want to see more videos like this, because I'm not going to another 2CV National for at least a year, because I'm knackered. But if you want to see more videos like this, please click subscribe. Please let me know that you like this video by clicking like. Let Guillaume know and Amandine know that you love tetanus by clicking like. And thank you for watching. Please be awesome to each other, and I'll see you all in the next video. I'm gonna go and collapse, and well, now I'm gonna eat pizza, drink beer, and then collapse. Good night.
Now I'm trying to find my way through all this desert that's been wearing you. Get back to where